Hello, in this quick video in which we will be talking about enchanting chatbots with ChatGPT. So, I wanted to talk about chatbots that can be enchanted with the power of ChatGPT. Chatbots are becoming increasingly popular for business and organizations to provide customer support, answer frequent asked questions, and more. However, many chatbots still feel robotic and lack the personal touch that users crave. By integrating ChatGPT into chatbots, we can create a more human-like and engaging user experience. So, first, let's talk about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI, which is trained on a vast corpus of text data. It can generate human-like responses to a natural language queries and has been shown to highly effective at tasks such as text completion, language translation, and more. So the benefits. One of the benefits, you can see it on the screen right here. When we ask enchanting chatbots with ChatGPT, we have natural language understanding, we have context response, improved conversation flow, personalization, and smart chatbots functionality. That are some of the benefits of chatbots. For example, we can have customer service chatbots. A customer service chatbot can be enchanted with ChatGPT to provide more personalized and effective support by analyzing the user previous interactions with the chatbot and importing it. Information, and it responds. The chatbot can provide more targeted assistance to the user. Okay, you can do FAQ chatbots that can be enchanted with GPT to provide more accurate and relevant responses to user queries by training the chatbots on the large corpus of text data related to company product service, and can provide more data for the question. Like that, I asked for, can you give me a quick example, and it gave me an example. For the conclusion, integrate ChatGPT into chatbots can lead to more engaging and effective user experience by improving natural language understanding, personalization, conversational flow, and chatbot functionality. ChatGPT can help chatbots feel more human-like and provide better assistance for users. So guys, thank you for listening to this informational video. I hope it helps. If you want something else, please leave a comment, like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.